Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Wajiha Afzal and I'm your science teacher. We have been discussing our unit number 3 and that is photosynthesis and respiration in plant. Before starting the topic of the day, I would like to share some of the moral lesson, and that is happiness in our life depends upon how we think. It depends on quality of our thoughts. So think happy and positive thoughts, and inshallah the positive things will start to happen. And the topic that we are going to discuss today, that is core concept 3.8, comparison between the process of photosynthesis and the process of respiration. So let's see what is the photosynthesis and respiration. In the process of photosynthesis, plants are food producers and they can make their own food, by which process? Photosynthesis. In this process, sugar is being made while water and carbon dioxide are used. Roots absorb water from the soil and that is transported to the whole plant, stems, branches, etc. And carbon dioxide is captured from the air through stomata. Now what are stomata? These are very small opening on the leaves and they trap light energy from the sun. For the process of photosynthesis, now we can say photosynthesis also need light energy, and water and carbon dioxide will combine to form sugar and oxygen. So the equation for photosynthesis is water react with carbon dioxide to form sugar and oxygen. Now respiration, actually respiration is production of energy that is required for different things that we do on our daily basis. And what happens in respiration and photosynthesis? Photosynthesis कहाँ होती है? In the leaves, and respiration takes place in the whole plant. Sugar made in the leaves is transported through the food carrying tubes to all plant parts, and sugar is stored as starch for the process of respiration. Now in respiration sugar and oxygen combine and energy is formed, plus water and carbon dioxide are also formed. So what happens in respiration? Sugar and oxygen combine and they will release energy and also form water and carbon dioxide. Clear? Now this is the basic difference between the photosynthesis and respiration. Other than these, there are some other differences. For example, in photosynthesis, food is being synthesized, food is being made, whereas in respiration, what happens? The food is being broken down into smaller units. And if we look at the process of photosynthesis, that where it occurs, the photosynthesis occurs only in the leaves, whereas respiration occurs in all the organism, in all the cells of the organisms. That can be plants, that can be humans, that can be birds, that can be any kind of the animals. At what time photosynthesis occurs? It occurs only in the presence of sunlight. But if we talk about the respiration, it can take place either the light is present or not. It can take place in the presence of light and also in the dark. Then there are some of the other differences, like carbon dioxide and water are utilized and oxygen is released, but respiration process is reversed. In this process, oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide and water are released. These things are totally different. Then in the process of photosynthesis, as we know, the food that is being made, as I have already told you, that is being stored in the form of the starch. So in the process of photosynthesis, we will say that is stored, whereas in respiration, energy is liberated in the form of adenine triphosphate. Means energy is released, and that energy we use to do our different works that we do on a daily basis. And then dry weight of the plant is increased. means excluding the water content of the plant, dry weight of the plant is increased in the photosynthesis, as we do know that the food is being made here. Whereas in respiration, the dry weight of the organism is decreased, as we said that the food is being broken down and that is being broken into smaller pieces or the smaller units. So in respiration, dry weight will be increased in an organism. If we talk about the rate of photosynthesis and the respiration, they occur at different level. The rate of photosynthesis is 20 times more than that of respiration. That means the process of photosynthesis is quite quick as compared to the process of respiration. So here you can also see the equations for the photosynthesis and the cellular respiration. These are the totally reverse processes, as you can see in the equations. Here we have done with today's lecture. In the next class, we will inshallah talk about the exercise of unit number 3, and we have done for the today's lecture. And for the homework, you guys have to learn underlined terms from page number core concept 3.8, that is comparison of photosynthesis and respiration. And in your book, that is the page number 37 and 38. I hope everything is clear to all of you, and if still there are any questions, you people are most welcome. Have a good day.